Residents of Piedmont, California, situated in the East Bay Area, are increasingly utilizing natural gas. This has led to an uptick in gas pipe leaks due to aging infrastructure, meaning gas line upgrades are more necessary than ever. Over time, the corrosion of iron or steel pipes can lead to hazardous situations. Additionally, in natural disasters like earthquakes and silent destruction caused by tree roots, pipelines are prone to damage that can lead to gas leaks. These dangerous leaks put people at risk of developing health issues such as headaches or dizziness. And in the worst cases, gas leaks can cause fires and explosions. Do you think you might have a gas leak? Turn to the professionals. At Avalon Rooter, we strive to deliver peace of mind when it comes to your gas system. Our experienced team will evaluate and, if needed, replace outdated pipelines for a safe and secure home environment. When it's time for gas line upgrades in Piedmont, California, the safety of your environment is the top priority. Avalon Rooter follows safety protocols to ensure your home is secure. Get in touch with us today at 510-399-8744. We provide free quotes without any pushy sales tactics.